Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 6. This is me your teacher Mushtaq Ahmed at Beria Foundation College, Nosharu Firoz, subject teacher computer. Dear students, today we are going to discuss lecture number 2 from chapter number 2. So the topic of today's discussion is mouse. Mouse is one of the pointing devices. It is used to indicate the computers, or it is used to give the instructions and commands to the computer to perform a specific task. Dear students, there are three types of the mouse that we are going to study and discuss here. First of all, there is a mechanical mouse, number 2 optical mouse, and number 3 cordless mouse. Dear students, these are the three types of the mouse that we have to discuss here, but another type of mouse is also present in the types of the mouse that is not present in your page or in your book, but it is also fourth type of the mouse that is known as the laser mouse. So dear students, first of all we have to concentrate on a mechanical mouse. That mechanical mouse has 2 or 3 buttons and a scroll wheel on top. It has a ball underneath and attached by a cord to the system unit. The ball rotates and moves the pointer on the screen. Another type that we have to discuss here is an optical mouse. An optical mouse has no rotating ball and can be used to any flat surface. Dear students, now we are going to study type number 3, that is a cordless mouse. Cordless mouse, it means that this is such a type of mouse that has no wire, but it does not need a cord and emits wireless signals to communicate with computer through air. So dear students, these are the types of the mouse. Now we are going to study the mouse by denoting its picture. So dear student, this is an optical mouse. There are 2 buttons on this mouse and a scroll wheel. So dear students, the wire that you see, this is known as a wire or a cord that is attached to the system unit to send the instructions or commands clicking by the mouse. Dear students, there are 2 buttons on the mouse. Number 1 is known as right button and number 2 is known as left button. So dear students, in between both buttons there is a wheel. We call it a scroll wheel. So dear students, whenever we are going to use the mouse, we place our 2 fingers. First of all, we place large finger on the button. That button or that click is known as right click. And whenever we are going to place our little finger on the mouse, that click is known as left click. And the wheel that is used between both numbers is known as scroll wheel. The function of scroll wheel is to move the cursor to the left side or right side, or to the upward side or backward side. So dear student, this is mouse, and mouse is one of the input devices. Mouse is used to indicate the computers. Mouse is used to point computers or object the computers. Mouse enables us to indicate computers or to open the file or close the file. Dear students, the function of mouse is also present on the keyboard, but what is the difference? We have to concentrate what is the difference between mouse use and keyboard use. The functions same that are used on the mouse. Simply we can say that while all functions of mouse are present on the keyboards, then why we need to use mouse? So dear students, the answer of this question is that using mouse or giving the instructions and commands to the computer through the mouse are very easy than the keyboard usage. So dear students, whenever we are going to discuss the mouse, that mouse is one of the pointing devices that is used to indicate or point the objects on the screen of the computers. So dear students, this is the end of your lecture. Now I am going to give you some homework that you will have to do at your home and send us on our WhatsApp group. Dear students, the homework of you people is that you will have to write down some differentiative note between the types of the mouse, and this lecture ends here. Be stay, be safe, be secure about your life. Still, Allah Hafiz.